Hello guys, this is Yucan, the Jeep guy here.
And this is Norm. Hello again, and thanks for watching again, coming back to us. We really appreciate it.
I'm a little bit nervous when I say I'm the Jeep guy because we're inside a brand new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. And
You should see his hands, they're shaking. What year are you driving now? 17 or 16?
16 JK. But the thing is, this new product has got a 4th generation Yucan system, which
Yes.
means
It's something what we never experienced before. Actually, I never try myself to pair the phone with the new system. We just pretending the customer just ordered brand new vehicle. He got the keys, he inside the vehicle, and he gonna pair that new system with his iPhone or Android.
Right.
So we'll see how it works and how easy it's to pair and how complicated. So we're gonna jump probably in humps and bumps.
okay. You start with the Android. You want to go first?
And so what should we do actually?
I don't know.
Oh, we're gonna go phone probably. And we want to pair. Yes, we want to pair now. We're gonna go to the Bluetooth. There's the Uconnect. Here we go. We use the Uconnect. Here we go. Good job. So yes, and yes. So far everything is good. It says Bluetooth pairing successful. Galaxy S8 device supported. We want allo.
Hello.
Allo.
Hello.
Okay, so I never see actually like that before. So it's downloading contacts right now. It's automatically come up so you can put your favorites right away. That's keypad, everything is working now. Where's that unique system what they was mentioning when you actually can mirror the screen?
Let's try under apps where you'll find all your apps. You don't see that.
That's good. I think we need to download probably application. Do we need to Android Auto? Okay, nothing here, eh? This is so weird. App Manager, running apps. So it showed me there's a 4G available, so technically the internet should be accessible.
I think you just failed.
One sec. No, it's not a travel link. What is that? That's a satellite. We don't have USB. Map. That's nothing in here.
I'm gonna give you 5 more seconds. If you can't figure it out,
No, 1 second.
Android
like
loses.
we, as any other customer, checking that out. So everything is working from my phone. Okay, so vehicle operations, radio navigation, vehicle maintenance,
this page.
search.
Huh.
Let's see, Android. Okay, so download Android Auto app from Google Play Store. Android Auto app, install. Here we go. 12 megabytes. 16% done, 30% done. It's great actually experience. It's like,
You know what?
customer.
I've never tried it before.
I never tried that before as well. It's it will be interesting.
But I do like the new system. Actually, on the Jeep Wrangler.
Oh yeah, it's way faster.
Yeah, the resolution is.
Screen is resolution way
And
better.
did you notice at night it was super bright?
Really?
Yeah.
You can
The best system so far.
Okay, so here is welcome to Android Auto. Get started. Safety. Continue. 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 Allo. Allo. Allo.
That's why I do
Hello?
Android.
Allo. Allo.
Hello.
Allo. Done. Okay. Always on display Android Auto. Yes, okay, so this. Boom. Let's allow this. Auto launch. Where's the one here? Perfect. So what it shows, we just couldn't figure it out. What is Wi-Fi spot? Okay, it's tell us we need to buy that stuff.
Always no free Wi-Fi, right?
Anyway, so
You can't get it to work on Android.
5 minutes, I couldn't get work. I'll take now next video. Please follow up with us. I'll do my own digging education and see how I set it up, how to do it properly. But now we're just sharing our new experience. Now we'll do the same with iPhone.
Okay. My theory is that you remember when you use map on your phone,
Yeah.
the battery just, drains super fast. That's why I think you need to connect to your phone through a
Cable?
hot wire, or cable, right?
Okay.
So let's try that. Oh, now just see, unlock your phone. Okay. App not installed, so I probably also need to install Apple CarPlay app. But this is just
Make sure you touch your credit card so they can just ching, ching.
yeah.
CarPlay is not available, so you just need to enable Siri.
Okay, Siri is not my best friend, but Siri doesn't understand my English. What
I
can
would love
do?
to actually see some explanation how they come to that name Siri. Siri for me is more like sounds like a planet or something like that. Siri, Jupiter, Mars.
You
Siri.
know what? Let me try one more thing before. Can I just curious, can I get you to work without using so I didn't download the app, but now
We have a new icon.
we have
just
an
came
Apple
up.
CarPlay
Correct.
show up.
Yeah,
Okay, no problem.
It's
you know,
good.
It's just Siri.
I'm just so you have another few minutes.
Okay, Siri. You know what? Nowadays the phone, like the menu, is okay.
Do
Let's
they enable it?
give me some time.
Enable Siri. Maybe it's voice recognition.
Give me some time to enable Siri. I did that.
You did
Okay,
it?
wow.
Oh,
It's that simple.
Hallelujah.
You know, let me walk people through this again. But I'm curious before we go into this stuff.
Yeah.
If I disconnect, so back to nothing, right?
Okay.
So technically, what you do, I can do my tutorial right now.
So
you know,
basically with the cable.
sorry to Android people, you need to wait for the next tutorial. But
No, it's fine.
Connect.
Next time we'll show with
right,
the cable.
connect, unlock, and go to the Apple Car.
And
Many
now
people-
what we have here? Maps.
Map. Obviously, the map is a big one.
Or you
Yeah.
have,
Oh, my home address. I don't want to show that, but oh,
It doesn't show. It just
Oh,
show
okay.
you estimate time. Oh,
Oh,
it
no,
shows
no.
now. Too
no
late.
problem.
Too late. So,
So-
how you go back to the home?
Okay, it's just like the home
Phone.
button there. Phone.
Hello, call
Call
Norm.
Norm. I don't think I have your number, but
With whom would you like to speak?
Norm.
Prime Minister.
I don't see nor Prime Minister in your contacts.
Okay, so
Should I
phone
look for
works?
locations by that name?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, the phone definitely works, and you can use. I see many people use that. Siri call somebody. Okay, that works. Music.
So-
I don't have music here. Message definitely works.
It's
Now
great. So
play it.
basically, to start your phone with that screen, it's what 2 minutes probably. If you're a new guy and you
Yeah.
don't know what you're doing, but don't forget the cable. A lot of people don't even have a cable.
You know, I just
so we're
noticed.
gonna need to try just
right?
Bluetooth.
The phone is also charging at the same time. This does take a lot battery, and okay, it's super easy to use. You want to grab a cable and try again? On Android? 'Cause-
Sure.
okay, where's your cable?
So great news and bad news. So bad news, somebody took my cable because Samsung S8 is the best phone.
Okay, I agree.
Don't even
Yes.
argue.
Okay.
Don't even argue. That's a bad news, but the great news, keep posted because we're gonna come out with a cool short video how to with Android, and step by step we'll teach you how
Yeah,
to
let us
set it
know,
up.
right? Because it seemed to me it's not super difficult to use.
No, it's
you know?
simple.
Yeah,
An
just-
iPhone from the basic is built to as a simple use.
Yeah.
Android is more advanced, more
More
complicated.
control, you
It's
know?
like for hackers and people who like to
Hackers.
change everything.
Okay,
When
we're
you-
not here to sell phones, we sell cars, okay?
Okay, so that's it for today.
You know what? I don't want to
Great
thank you so
experience.
much, guys, for your
Thanks
time
for watching.
this video. More are coming.
Then we actually need your support for the future as well because we just try to roll that project more and more right now and share our experience about the vehicles and some cool gadgets and stuff like that with you guys, right? Help us to grow and we're gonna help you to get more educated and knowledge.
Let us know what you want to see next.
Yeah.
Right? Wow, this thing is actually pretty
I love
easy
it
to
and
use.
it's so quick.
Yeah.
Oh, party time! Oh, party!
You
Go!
know what? I do.
Yes.
What?
Bye bye.
Oh, this is my favorite song actually. I like this.